Right, Rashid owned N sheep. Ivan had exactly 4 times as many sheep as Rashid. Okay, so if we start off with those 2 top lines there, so we've got Rashid, right, he's got N sheep, and we've got then Avion. It says exactly 4 times as many sheep as Rashid, so 4 times this would be 4N sheep. Then it says Rashid buys 17 extra sheep, okay, and Ivan sells 8 of his sheep. Ivan still has more sheep than Rashid. So if Rashid buys 17 sheep, he'll now have N plus 17 sheep. And if Ivan sells 8 of his sheep, he'll now lose 8. So we're going to take away 8 from what he's got. But it says then Ivan still has more sheep than Rashid. So Ivan's sheep here, that is more than what this is here. So form an inequality, it says. So if this here, what Ivan's got, is more than what Rashid's got, so we can say this here, 4n minus 8, is more than this, n plus 17. So we've got to learn our inequalities, and that means more than. Okay, we've got an inequality. Now we need to solve it. Solving it is just like solving an equation. Very similar, that is, anyway. So what we'll do, we'll take this n over, so it becomes 4n, and take the n over, it becomes minus n. And then on this side, we've got 17. And if we take that minus 8 over this side then, it becomes a plus 8. We're getting the n's on one side, we get the numbers on the other side. So this will be 3n, and then work that out, you get 25. 3n is greater than 25. Now I want to work out n, don't I? That's what it's saying, right? I need a value for n. So what I do next then is, because I'm timesing here by 3, take it over and divide by 3. So 25 divided by 3. Okay? Now 25 divided by 3 doesn't give you a perfect number, perfect whole number. 3 goes into 25 8 times, doesn't it? 8 times, but that gives me 24. So there's 1 left over. Okay, so 3 goes into 25 8 times, 1 left over 3. So n is greater than 8 and a third. So it's saying then, what's the least value of n? Now, n has got to be greater than 8 and a third. But you've also got to remember that n must represent a whole number. Okay? Go back to here, it says n sheep. You can't have 8 point something sheep, right? It's got to be a whole number. So if n has got to be greater than 8 and a third, it's got to be greater than 8, doesn't it? It can't be 8.3. It's got to be greater than 8. So we've got to go to the next number up. So we say n is 9. Okay? That's what n has got to be. That's the least value for n.